Yo guys, on this video I'm going to show you guys how you're going to be able to make up to 10k a month creating an AI agent for businesses. And this method is actually easy. You can do it on your phone or your laptop, anyone you have, right? And there's actually 4 ways you can be able to do it, and it's actually simple. All you need to do is sign up on Chatbase and build the chatbots. And Chatbase is actually the place you're going to be able to build the AI assistant that is going to add on the business website, right? And all you need to do is to look for businesses, which is the business you're going to create the AI assistant for. If they have a website, and there are a lot of business right now, they actually have websites. 99% of them, let me say like 90% of them actually have websites, right? So what you do is to look for a business, customize it to match the business brand, deploy it on their websites. Most of them actually use WordPress, and some of them actually use other ones. Like a WordPress is actually a place where you create websites, right? So what you need to do now is to actually go over to Chatbase. I'm going to show you guys this. There's no gatekeeping on this. I'm not going to say you guys any course. I'm just going to show you everything directly. I'm going to be doing it right here. You guys are going to be seeing it, right? What you need to do first is to go over to your browser and open up your browser and search for Chatbase. If you have a Chatbase, just search for Chatbase. You search Chatbase, search chatbase.com. Click on it. It's going to be over. I just click on chat. And let me correct this here. Yeah, click on it says on chatbase.com. And click on Chatbase, is going to open. You're going to pop up this screen right here. What you need to do now is to click on build your agent for free. When you click on this build your agent for free, it's going to open this screen right here. What I mean is that if you open the screen and it told you to set it up manually with other sources, don't click on this set it up manually. It's going to take a lot of time, and this one is actually hard. So what you need to do now is to actually just copy the website that you are going to build, the business website you are going to build an AI assistant for. They just paste it here. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my Google map and look for businesses that I'm going to create an AI assistant for them. So you can look for businesses on Google Map, and you can also look for businesses on Instagram, right? So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my Google Map and just look for any businesses that I know that I'm going to DM and stuff. There are a lot of businesses, so you're gonna have a lot of opportunity, all right? So what you need to do now is to go over to your businesses, to your this thing, to your map, and look for any website, right? So I'm going to click this burger bodega, right? So click on it, it's going to open. You see right here, they already have the websites. So you need to do is click on this website, or you can click on this right here, and it's going to open. You see the way that team looks like, right? See the way their teams look right there. So yeah, after you have opened it, you're going to see different type of their details, their menu and stuff, and they have put an order now in this place, right? So what you need to do is to look on it and just to what you need to do now. You see that they don't have an AI assistant on their websites, and which is actually the reason most businesses actually lost its customer, because not everybody actually just gonna be looking on this stuff. Some people just want to ask questions and confirm before they arrive to their business, all right? So what you need to do now is actually um look for their phone number on this Google map, and you look for the phone number right there. All you need to do is to call them and say them that you've been an AI assistant for their business and this and that. You need to do. So what you need to do is to like call them, right? If you can't do this and you're not living in the US, what you need to do is to just you message them on Instagram. They actually have an Instagram. You just search for the name Burger Bodega, and you're going to see them. Their other business. If this is not next bar, you're going to see it. So after this, copy the link. After copying the link, if you want to build the website, let me show you guys how to build it. If you want to build the website, just copy the link, then go over to the chat base. After going over to the chat base, then you're going to paste the link over here. I paste the link over here. Then you paste the link, then you go click on continue. After some time, it's going to fetch everything, like the details about the websites, their menu, everything, the time they open and stuff. Everything is going to like show it bring it out using AI. They are going to run it up by themselves. So what this thing is going to do is going to take some time, then it's going to open. So after it has opened, you're going to show this place, right? You're going to show 5 links tested and stuff, right? What you need to do now is to click on this train and continue. After you click on this train and continue, you're going to see some customization on how you're going to customize the app, the business website. You're going to customize business websites, their theme and stuff, which is what I said here. Customize it to match the business brand. You see, you're going to customize it to actually match the business brand, which is their color and stuff. So what you need to do now is to actually, after you have done that, then you're going to come up to, I've already created an AI assistant for this burger bodega already. So I'm going to just ask a few questions right here. So I'm going to ask you what's time do you guys open, right? So yeah, you just told me the details. Bodega opens at 11 a.m. and stays open until 9 a.m. So we are located in, so you see the exact location you just said right here. This is the exact location that is actually in the bodega website, right? So you go over to this place, you see it on this down place. It's actually 4520 Washington Avenue, Austin. So yeah, that is exactly the same thing is actually said on this on the AI assistant, exactly 4520 Washington Avenue, Austin, Texas. Sorry, TX 77007, right? So yeah, that's exactly what you need. So I'm going to explain to you guys the cons. The thing is that you can actually do this, and most people can actually do this in the US, and they will get a lot of money because most people are gonna pick the call and stuff. You're going to be able to make calls instead of just message them on Instagram. But on Instagram, the able way for you to do is you just to search for them on Instagram, search for the business you are going to DM on Instagram. After you search for them, you message them, you write a text like I create an AI assistant for your business, and he's gonna be able to help you with question sheets, and you know what I mean, right? So after you have done that, you message like at least message like 20 people a day. Out of that 20 people, at least like 5 must reply. All right, just do that every day. You can message more than 20 people a day. So after you do that, like 10 or 5 people can reply. So at least you beat them. You have to do this chatbot, you're going to beat them at least $200 or $300 or even $500 for each people. Maybe now you get like 2 clients a day, or you get like 3 clients a day under a month. If you message more than 100 clients under a month, it's definitely that you're going to get at least 10 to 5 clients, and maybe you bill those 5 clients at least $500 or $300. Bill those clients $500. Only that maybe 5 clients now, only that 5 clients is going to bring to you around $2,500, right? But if you, depending on the how many people you are going to DM, so that's how enable for you to gonna be able to get the 10K, gonna be able to make up to 10K a month. So that's how guys are gonna be able to do it, right? I don't know if I actually explained this to you guys the right way, but I hope you guys are gonna be understand. If you guys actually want the full script enabled for you to start, I'm going to actually put the file on the description. It's actually free. I'm going to put the file on all how you guys the explanation, every details, and enable for you guys to start. So I'm going to put it on the description, so you guys should check it out. So yeah, so that's how you're gonna guys gonna be able to do it, right?